बोला बाय 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 बोलो बाय बोलो देख लेना हाँ घर अब गाड़ी नीचे गाड़ी तक ले आया Hey, what's up guys? This is a little bit in the evening. It's around 7:46. What am I talking about? I said 7:86. It's 7:46. It's a beautiful Thursday evening. And I'm actually headed to the airport, going back home. Very excited. I've stayed here for a while. I've got my cousin with me, who's also leaving in a couple of days. It's time to go home. Super excited. Anyways, let's take a look at Majnukatila one last time.
Heading to the airport.
I'm going home.
Flight
Yes.
Hang on,
Turn it up. Oh, I It's finally time to say goodbye, so I'm ready to go home. Yeah, Chujo, bye. Chujo, yeah, Chujo, let's. भैया मैं सामने बैठेगा हाँ बस मैं सामने बैठूं हाँ आप थोड़ा आगे जाइए हाँ See you in 24 hours folks.
Okay bye.
See you in 24 hours. Now goodbye to my cousin, my sister, my brother-in-law and my dad. And here's my taxi. Time to go home finally. La Sotishla, bye. Bye. Bye, thank you. But yeah, international airport, huh? International airport, huh? Thank you.
और कोई नहीं है
ना हम अकेला है All right guys, I'm almost here. Thankfully the line is not too long, so that definitely helps. It's a little chilly guys. All right guys, I'm all done now. Now let's go take care of the immigration process. And now I'm going into the duty free right there, if you guys could see that right there behind me. So let's go. Time to say goodbye to India. Well, now I have almost 2 hours to kill. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but whatever I do, I'll take you guys along. How about that? Man, I was a little cold when I was waiting in line at the check-in counter, and now I'm warm. So I had to put my sweatshirt in the bag. Ooh, I'm warm. I have to get to gate number 9, so it's not too far away. All right, guys. Okay, there's a sculpture that I have to show you guys. I think it's made of bronze, if I'm not wrong, or it could be brass. But it's a neat one. I'll show you guys what it looks like. If you've been here, then obviously you've seen this before, because it's pretty prominent right at the center of this airport. Right there, guys. Can you see that? You see that big one right there? Yeah, this is, I think this is relatively new. Is that bronze or is that brass? I say it's bronze, but I could be wrong. What do I know? All right, let's keep going. Guys, I'm finally at my gate, and there's not a whole lot of people. I must be really early.
Air India, we wish you a pleasant flight. Singapore को जाने वाली Air India.
Man, my box is a mess. I have a lot of these tea bags. This is an imitation Tibetan butter tea. Can you guys guess? This is actually made in Malaysia. Who would have thought? Where did the tamarind go? Oh, here's the tamarind. There it is. I think this is my favorite for now. The tamarind, the tangy tamarind. Look at this. That's my flight. Air France to Paris, flight number 225. Thank you.
Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you, man. All right, guys, I'm all checked in now. Time to board. There, guys, it's chilly. Show you a little bit of what it looks like outside CDG, Charles de Gaulle in Paris. All right, guys, let's see if I can find my gate and terminal. I can find it right here. Terminal 2EM49, that's where I'm headed. Terminal 2EM49. आपको एयरपोर्ट कहाँ है?
बैंकॉक
आपको बैंकॉक जाना है? थाईलैंड.
बैंकॉक छरी.
Oh, Vancouver. Okay, Toronto, Canada. Okay. So up you M है? Gate number N?
L.
L. Okay, right here. Okay, let's see. See? Gate number L. L. 2F2G. It shows L, so make sure that's 2E. L. Get in, everybody. Come on. Get in. L, everybody. This might close. L, get in. L, आप उतर रहे. L, you, yeah, आप उतर जाइए. All right, there's a sardar gentleman here. I think he looks a little confused. I'm going to ask him if he needs any help. आपको जाना कहाँ से? आपको पता है कहाँ जाना है? आपका ये दिखाइए, टिकट दिखाइए.
टिकट के बोर्डिंग कार्ड.
हाँ, बोर्डिंग कार्ड जो है ना, बोर्डिंग पास दिखाइए आपको. आपको मॉन्ट्रियल जाना है ना, तो आपका मॉन्ट्रियल 2E पे है और आपका गेट नंबर है M25. हमारे साथ आ जाइए, हम साथ जाएगा ना. हाँ, आ जाइए साथ. So he's headed to Montreal. So of course, anytime I could help an Indian brother, why not? संभाल के हाँ. All right, guys. Paris is looking like this.
वो आदमी ने बोल दिया थोड़ा कुछ.
चेंज मिल गया.
उसने थोड़ा गलत बोल दिया, उसका बोर्डिंग पास नहीं दिया उसको. उसने थोड़ा कुछ बोल दिया.
Yeah, this is so sad. He actually came here with another gentleman, a sardar, and he didn't have any boarding card. He just came here. Yeah, let's see now. Departures. We'll confirm it. Okay, let's go from here. Yeah, so he came here with a friend, and then they didn't give him the boarding pass, so he had to go all the way back. And unfortunately, he didn't speak any English either. that didn't help. Kind of sad. You know, I mean, had I known, I would have definitely helped him, but we were far away. So, this is हमारा वहाँ है, आपका यहाँ है. पहले हम आपके पास चलते हैं. Let's go. We'll go to his first. I'll drop him off, and then I'll go to my place. My gate is totally different from his, I think. And this is what Paris looks like, guys. आपको यहाँ कुछ खरीदना तो नहीं है ना? Direct gate पे जाएंगे. Okay. I asked him if he needed to buy anything from here. He said nothing, so I'll just drop him off at his gate. And then he'll be at peace. He won't have to worry about it. I know the anxiety and the anticipation when you're not sure where you're going or what you're doing. I totally understand that. आप पंजाब से हो? कौन सा पंजाब का कहाँ से? अमृतसर. अच्छा, अमृतसर में तो हमारा गोल्डन टेम्पल है. हाँ जी, हमारा कभी नसीब नहीं है वहाँ जाए. कभी देखा नहीं हम कभी देखा नहीं, पर एक बार ज़रूर जाने की कोशिश करूँगा.
कौन कंट्री?
मैं वैसे तिब्बत से हूँ. मैं लेकिन अमेरिका में रहता हूँ. मैं यूएसए में रहता हूँ. हाँ जी. If it says Montreal, then he'll be fine, and then I'll go and. आप यहाँ से आपको सीधा बस अंदर एयरपोर्ट में घुसना है. दूसरा कुछ काम नहीं है आपके पास. आप वो जब वो रेडी है बोलेगा ना, फिर हम चले जाएंगे. कभी कभी लास्ट मिनट में वो गेट चेंज कर देता है ना, तो हम अभी कंफर्म करेंगे आपका गेट ये है कि नहीं. हाँ, आप यहाँ बैठ जाइए. आपका बोर्डिंग पास एक बार फिर से दिखा दीजिए मुझे. आप यहाँ बैठिए, मैं देखता हूँ आपका. मेरा ख्याल से आपका मॉन्ट्रियल है, M25 है. आपका 10 में आपको अंदर घुस जाना चाहिए. बंद हो जाता है ये. 9:35 में आपको जाने देगा. M25 लिखा है ना?
जी हाँ.
M25. अब आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, यहीं बैठो. जब वो अंदर आओ बोलेंगे, आप अंदर चले जाइए. ओके जी. ऑलराइट, आप आराम से चले जाइए. Now let's go back to my gate. I didn't write it down and I don't remember anymore. We'll figure it out. I'm already in. All the way in the back, 43D. I have no one next to me. How fortunate is that? See, I was lucky the last time too. Remember flying from Minneapolis to Paris? Yes, sur la tombare. Tanga kang banyang chapel di lolo jinyedo. Yaya Chem, safe flight. Bye. Bye. See you soon. Bye. So they just boarded their flight. Looks like they're gonna reach home 4 hours ahead of me. My sister just texted me and said they will land at around 11:40. So yeah, so and I don't get, oh no, they actually land, I don't get home until like 6:44, almost 7 p.m. So they reach home almost 7 hours ahead of me. Wow. Well, I'm happy for them, especially with dad and mom. I can handle the extra 6 hours, I think. I'll find out. But at least I'm glad I don't have anybody sitting next to me, according to the air hostess. And that's good. I can stretch if I feel like. All right, guys, I just got my baggage. Now I have about an hour and a half. I don't want to miss my flight. I still have to go through customs, so I'm gonna rush. Hopefully I still have time for my flight. I don't want to miss my flight. The last thing that I want to do is all right, looks like I'm on the right path. I finally made it. I barely missed it. Oh my gosh, I have to run. Man, I have to rush. I can't believe this. I had to carry my luggage all the way from the international terminal all the way to the domestic terminal. I've never had to do this before. It's just nuts. Tell me they're not boarded yet. 8:10. Boy, look at that. I'm the last one. Guys, I made it to my seat. Oh, I made it to my seat. Look at that. All right, now I'm done. I'll show you guys when I get home in Minneapolis. All right, guys. Welcome home. They had the air condition dialed all the way up in the aircraft. It was pretty cold. I'm glad I had my sweatshirt and also my hat. It was really cold inside the aircraft.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'll call it you guys.
Well, let's see how cold it is outside. Boy, coming from New Delhi, this is cold. Brr. Oh my God. Mwah, 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 mwah. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Happy to be home, happy to be home, happy to be home. Let's see. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. I'm finally here with my wife. So now it's time to go home. Nice and warm in here. I'll see you guys later.
Let's go. I don't think that car is moving.
Just go back a little bit, baby. Yeah, boom.
The car is moving. The red car.
Guys, take a look how beautiful the sunset is. So this is Eagan, Minnesota, my hometown, my home city. There's still a little bit of snow left. Look at the sunset, guys. See a lot of snow left.
He's by himself.
Oh, he is by himself. Look at him. I have to get my... Okay, there's a couple of his friends. Let's see. Let me get out a little bit. Can you put the thing in park? Put it in park. Hey, handsome. Hi, Zutila. Come here. Come in there, Shanala. Ah, singing love there, Mara. I missed you, man. What's up? Put your music on. Get your light again. Put a woman. Find you put a woman. Let's go now. Let's go home.
Some critters. What you doing out your friends? Talk to them.
Okay. Zutila. Zutila, pala kira miss just darling. Mango tense ta.
Let me see too.
Kira pala tense.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for missing me.
All right, guys, this is the end of the vlog now. We're headed home. Thanks for joining me on this trip, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, guys.